Hello everyone from Elif's kitchen. Today, I want to share with you a recipe for sour bean salad with lots of greens, which will become one of your favorite recipes once you try it. Let's soak 250 grams of dried beans overnight. The next day, let's wash them a few times and place them in the pressure cooker. Let's add 1 medium-sized dry onion and 2 to 3 cloves of garlic to it. 1 teaspoon of salt. Add enough water to cover them, put the lid on the pot, and place it on the stove. I used a pressure cooker for it to cook quickly. After the pot's whistle sounds, let it cook on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. We need to boil them until the beans are nicely softened. I boiled them for 15 minutes. Let's open the lid of the pot and remove the boiled dry onion and garlic from inside. Then, let's prepare the sour sauce for our beans. I used a few sprigs of dill, a few sprigs of fresh mint, and a few sprigs of parsley. Let's put them in the food processor. Let's add the boiled onion and garlic on top. I added the juice of 1 small lemon. You can increase or decrease the amount. 1 tablespoon of apple or grape vinegar. Since I added salt while boiling earlier, I also added about 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's add a little less than half a teacup of olive oil and blend in the processor until it becomes very fine. Our sauce is ready. Let's place the boiled dried beans we cooked into a mixing bowl. While our beans are still warm, let's pour the sauce we prepared over them and mix them well so that every part is coated with the sauce. Then, let's transfer them to a serving plate. Our sour beans with their legendary flavor are ready to serve. I'm sure that once you try it, it will become one of your indispensable recipes. This recipe will go especially well with your meatball and chicken dishes. I highly recommend you try it. To those who will try it, bon appetit in advance. If you've watched my video this far and liked it, you can support me with your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching.